confirm that someone just put a cap in, just put a distributor cap on it, rotor button, and a coil. Still had the same misfire. But I got to looking at it. The plug wires look really old, and the plugs looked old. So what I did was I hooked my scope to it. Let me show you what I found. So I've got it zoomed in. That's why you got more than 8 cylinders on the screen. But if you look right here, the spark line, it's starting way up here. Almost exactly where it peaks out at your spark. It's peaking at about 10 or 12, and the spark is starting at about 8 or 9. Some of them are starting even higher than that. That's definitely an indication of a bad spark plug wire.